Hello and welcome to Storeino. Today we will see how we can add delivery companies, shipping zone, and also set up our locations in our store. First of all, go and click on delivery. As I said, we will see how we can set up our locations, our shipping companies in our zones. First of all, let's set up a location. Click on locations. You will see that I have two locations, Morocco and United Kingdom. If you want to add a new location, just click on add new locations here. And you will see all the countries available for you to add. Only click or choose your country like this and click on confirm. And you will see that the country has been added. If you want to delete a country, just click delete like this. It's really easy. After that, when you select your country, click on shipping companies. Click on add shipping companies. You will need to fill out some information. The name of the company, for example, Storeino Shipping. Then select the logo of your company and insert photo if you have it. And there is a third option, which is linking a shipping company, which we have already linked to Storeino. Then you can add a description for your shipping company and click on confirm. Now you have successfully added the shipping company. If you go back to the delivery and click on shipping companies, you will see that we have added Storeino shipping company. After that, what we need to do is click on zones so we could set up the shipping zone for that shipping company. Click on new zone here. Give your zone a name. For example, North Zone. Then give this a description if you like. I will skip it for now. After that, click on add shipping companies and select your shipping companies that you have added previously. We have added previously one shipping company, which is Storeino Shipping. Click on it and click on confirm. You will see that the shipping company has been added and a price tab has been also been available. We will set up the price. So this North Zone, the shipping price for it will be, for example, $10, which is just an example. If you go down, and you will see something called countries. Here you will select your countries. For example, I will select Morocco and click on this letter arrow. I will choose, for example, this one and click also in the arrow so I could have all the cities, and I'm gonna select all the cities that we could ship for them for $10 only. It is really simple to set up. After that, this is something called shipping rate. If you click on add shipping rate, you will have multiple settings to set up. Minimum weight of the shipping and the maximum weight of the shipping. Then you can choose either grams or kilograms. For example, if we set up kilograms here, and the minimum weight of shipping should be, for example, 0.5 kilograms, and the max weight is 1 kilogram or 10 kilograms. It depends on the shipping company. Then the price, for example, will be from minimum weight to maximum weight. It will be, for example, let's see, $20, and click on confirm. That you will see the minimum weight 0.5 kilograms, the maximum weight is 10 kilograms. The price of that is $20. After you finish setting up your zones, you can add as many shipping companies you like. Click on confirm. Now we have confirmed. Let's see how this shipping zone works. Go to your store and add your product to the cart. Then let's complete the purchase process. And click on next. Now you will see the shipping tab here and our company Storeino Shipping. Thank you for watching and see you soon in other tutorials.